Good day mga kamatiniks. Once again, this is Sir J. And for today's topic, I am going to discuss to you about arithmetic series. Okay, so our objective for our lesson is to find the sum of the terms of a given arithmetic sequence. So ito yung ating objective at the end of our lesson. Okay, so kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, please do subscribe and pakihit na rin yung notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aking mga videos at pakisali na rin yung all at pakilike na rin ang video ito. So let's start with our lesson. So a series is the indicated sum of the terms of a sequence. The word series can be used both in the singular and in the plural form. An arithmetic series is an indicated sum of the terms of an arithmetic sequence. So, ito yung example ng sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so forth and so on. Ang example naman ng series is 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. Yan yung series. Okay? So, I hope nakuha ninyo yung kaibahan ng sequence at saka series. Sequence kapag yung ano lang, may kama lang. At series naman kapag mayroong plus. Or kapag kukunin na natin yung sum ng ating mga terms, series na yon. Kasi i-add natin lahat ng terms eh. So we have a formula here to find the sum of a finite arithmetic sequence. Sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic sequence is equal to S sub n equals n over 2 times the quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub n. To use this formula, you must know the first term and the last term. So dapat may first term at saka last term ka para magamit mo ang first formula natin. Yung alternate formula naman natin is S sub n equals n over 2 times the quantity of 2a sub 1 plus quantity of n minus 1 times d. Ang formula na to, you must know the first term and the common difference. Okay? So dito sa ikalawang formula natin, kapag wala siyang last term pero meron siyang first term at saka common difference, ito yung formula na ating gagamitin. Pero kapag wala siyang common difference at mayroon siyang last term, example, yung sequence ay may first term at saka last term. So pwede natin gamitin yung pinakaunang formula. Pero kapag wala siyang last term, meron siyang first term at saka common difference, itong pangalawang formula ang ating gagamitin para mas madali. Well, anyways, pwede naman natin gamitin either of these two formulas, kahit ano pa yung given natin. Okay? So, let's have an example here. Ayan, tingnan ninyong mabuti ha. Find the sum of the first 20 terms. 12, 18, 24, 30, and 36. Okay, so dito, i-apply natin yung ating formula. Ito yung ating formula. Okay, bakit kamo? Ito yung formula na ating gagamitin. Dahil wala tayong last term. Pero mayroon tayong first term at saka common difference dito. Yung first term natin is 12. Okay? So, hanapin na natin yung ating answers dito. So, isulat muna natin lahat ng ating mga given dito ha. So, n is equal to 20, a sub 1 is equal to 12, at yung ating common difference ay 6. So, i-substitute na natin siya dito sa ating formula. So, yung n, papalitan lang natin ng 20. Ito. Tapos, yung a sub 1, papalitan ng 12. Tapos, yung n, 20. Then, yung d, papalitan natin ng 6. So, simplify it. Unahin muna yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. 2 times 12, 24. 20 minus 1 is 19. 19 times 6, 114. 24 times 114 is 138. 138 times 10 is 1,380. So therefore, yung ating answers dito is 1,380. So 1,380 yung ating answer dito, yung ating sagot. Okay? So the sum of the first 20 terms of this sequence is 1,380. Next. Dito class, find the sum of the first 50 terms of this series. So, ito yung ating series, 34, 45, 56, 67, and 78. So, hanapin natin yung first 50 terms. Okay, so since wala tayong last term dito, pero pwede natin gamitin ang formula na to. Hahanapin muna natin yung last term gamit yung ating general rule. dito sa ating para mahanap yung nawawalang term. Okay, so gamitin natin itong formula na to na a sub n equals a sub 1 plus quantity of n minus 1 times d para mahanap yung ating last term. So i-substitute na natin lahat ng ating mga given values. So yung n papalitan natin ng 50. So magiging a sub 50 na yan equals yung a sub 1 papalitan lang natin ng 34 plus yung ating n papalitan ng 50. So 50 minus 1 times yung ating d papalitan natin ng 11. Okay? So 50 minus 1 is 49 and 49 times 11 is equal to 539. And 539 plus 34 is 573. Okay, so 573. So mayroon na tayong last term. So pwede na natin siyang i-apply dito sa ating formula. So yung n papalitan natin ng 50 over 2 times the quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub 50. So yung a sub 1 papalitan lang natin ng 34. Yung a sub 50 naman ay 573. So 50 divided by 2, 25. 34 plus 573 is 607. 25 times 607 is 15,175. So ito ngayon ang ating sum of the first 50 terms of the series. So ito yung ating final answer, 15,175. Okay, so let's have another example. Find the sum of this finite series 3 plus 8 plus 13 plus 18 plus, and the last term is 38. Okay, so we don't know how many terms are being added. So first, find what term 38 is. So kung ilan, hanapin muna natin kung ilan lahat yung ating terms dito sa ating given problem. So gamitin natin ulit yung ating general rule kanina to find the nth term para mahanap natin yung value ni n. So mayroon naman tayong a sub n which is 38 equals a sub 1 which is 3. Okay? Again ha, si a sub n 38, si a sub 1 3, then quantity of n minus 1 times 5. So gamitin natin yung distributive property. So 5 times n, then 5 times negative 1. So that will become 38 equals 3 plus 5n minus 5. Yung 5n, that is 5 times n. Yung negative 5 is 5 times negative 1. Simplify 3. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. So that will become 38 equals 5n minus 2. Ilipat mo si 2 dito sa left-hand side ng ating equal symbol. So yan ay magiging plus na. So 38 plus 2 is 40 equals 5n. Divide both sides by 5. So the value of n is equal to 8. So mayroon na tayong value ni n. So kompleto na yung ating given values para magamit ang formula natin na s sub n equals n over 2 times the quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub n. So yung n papalitan lang natin ng 8, then yung a sub 1 papalitan ng 3, a sub n papalitan ng 38. Unahin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. Okay, so 8 divided by 2, 4, 3 plus 38, 41. 4 times 41 is 164. So ito yung sum ng ating series from 3 to 38. Okay? So the sum of this finite series is 164. I hope na-gets niyo yung ating example dito. So let's proceed with our... So, yan yung ating yan yung kanyang sum. So, write formulas to memorize. Ito yung ating formula na lagi nating tatandaan sa arithmetic sequence natin, ha? So, yung ating general rule, to find the nth term, we have a sub n equals a sub 1 plus quantity of n minus 1 times d. Then, yung formula to find the sum of the finite arithmetic sequence. Okay? So, ito yung ating dalawang formula. So, write the formula at the beginning of each problem para hindi kayo mahirapan mag-solve. So, thank you for listening. See you again sa ating next video lesson.